Hey friends, if you facing the issue brightness slider are missing notification area, here you can see any brightness slider are not showing. So what you need to do, first of all right click on blank space and here you can see the edit option. Just click on edit option and now you can see the add option. Just click on add option and you can see the brightness option are showing. Just click on brightness slider option and after you can click your brightness slider are showing here. So first of all do this method. If not working this method, follow the second method. Just drag your mouse to search box and type here to services and just open the services option and just click any services and type on keyboard D and you can find display enhancement services. Here you can see, just double click on it and your case showing startup type manual. So first of all stop this and now you can select the automatic option and again start this. So here you can see the startup type selected automatic and after select apply and then OK and close this window. And now you can check your brightness slider are showing or not. If not showing your brightness slider, follow the third method. Go to search box and type here device manager and open the device manager and now you can see option monitor. Expand this option and here you can see the generic PNP monitor. Just right click on it and first of all update the driver. Select search automatically for update driver. Next method is browse my computer for driver software. Select this option and here you can see the let me pick up from. So select this option and now you can select generic PHP monitor and select next. Update your driver and just reboot your system and close this old window. Next method is just right click on it and here you can see the uninstall device. So click uninstall device and after uninstall just here you can see the scan for hardware changes. Just click this option and reboot your system and check your brightness slider are showing or not. If not showing, follow the final method. Final method is update your operating system. Just click on window icon and here you can see the setting option. Just open your setting and here you can see update and security and just check your recent update showing or not. If showing your updates, just update your operating system and check back again your brightness slider are showing or not. I hope your brightness slider is showing. If this video was helpful for you, please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.